Honey, I was thinking about going out tonight. There's a new art exhibit opening downtown, and I thought it could be fun to check it out.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting, but I've had a long day at work, and I'm feeling pretty tired. Plus, it's been raining all day, and I'm not in the mood to go out in this weather.
I understand. It has been a hectic week for both of us. Well, if you're not up for it, I guess I'll just stay home too. We can have a cozy night in.
That actually sounds really nice. We can order some takeout, put on our comfy clothes, and just relax at home. It sounds much more appealing than braving the rain and crowds.
I'm glad you're on board. We can make it a mini date night at home. We could even watch a movie or play some board games.
That sounds perfect. Plus, we'll have the comfort of our own space and no rush to be anywhere. It's a nice change of pace.
Absolutely. Let's make the most of it and enjoy some quality time together. I'll order our favorite takeout and we can decide on a movie.
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to our cozy night at home. Thanks for understanding, dear.
Of course, honey. We all need some downtime. Let's make it a memorable evening in our own little sanctuary.
Have you heard of the new restaurant that opened downtown?
No, I've never heard of it. What kind of food do they serve?
It's a fusion restaurant that combines Italian and Japanese cuisine.
That's an interesting combination. I've never tried that before.
Yeah, it's definitely unique. I'm excited to give it a try and see how the flavors blend together.
Let me know how it is. I might check it out sometime.
Will do. If it's good, we can plan a dinner there together.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for letting me know about it.
Hi, Mike. Any plans for the weekend?
Sarah, I'm thinking of going on a road trip with friends. We want to explore a charming seaside town known for its beaches and seafood.
Sounds exciting. How long will you be away?
Just a quick weekend getaway. We'll leave Saturday morning and return Sunday evening.
That's a nice break. Where will you stay?
We booked a cozy beachside cabin for the night. It'll be a relaxing spot with great views.
Sounds lovely. Anything specific you want to do?
We'll spend time on the beach, savor fresh seafood, and maybe hike in a nearby national park.
That sounds perfect. I'm a bit envious. It's been a while since I traveled.
No worries, Sarah. We'll plan something together soon. I'll share photos when I'm back.
That would be great. Have an amazing trip, Mike.
Hi there, my name is Alice. I'm from the United States. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Alice. I'm Carlos, and I'm from Mexico. It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Likewise, Carlos. So have you been a part of a language exchange program before?
Actually, this is my first time. I'm excited to improve my English skills and connect with people from different cultures. How about you?
I've been in a few language exchange programs in the past. They've been incredibly rewarding experiences. You'll definitely enjoy it.
That's great to hear. I'm particularly interested in practicing my conversational English. I find it challenging to have natural conversations.
Conversation skills can be tricky, but with practice, it becomes easier. We can have regular conversations on various topics to help you feel more comfortable.
I appreciate that, Alice. What topics do you suggest we start with?
How about we begin with something light, like discussing our favorite hobbies or sharing interesting experiences? It's a great way to get to know each other and practice using vocabulary related to personal interests.
Sounds like a plan. I'm an avid soccer fan and love exploring new hiking trails. What about you, Alice?
That's fantastic. I enjoy photography and love trying out new recipes in the kitchen. We have some interesting topics to dive into.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to our language exchange sessions and getting to know you better, Alice. It's great to have someone to practice English with.
I feel the same way, Carlos. Let's make the most of this language exchange program and help each other improve our language skills.
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest ATM is? I need to withdraw some cash.
Sure, there's an ATM just around the corner. Go straight ahead and take a right at the next intersection. You'll see it on your left-hand side.
Thank you. Is it a bank ATM or a standalone one?
It's a standalone ATM, so you don't need to worry about bank operating hours. It should be accessible anytime.
Perfect. I appreciate the directions. Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it's only a 5-minute walk from here. Very convenient.
That's great to hear. I wasn't sure where to find one, and I don't want to run out of cash.
No problem at all. It's always handy to know where the nearest ATM is, especially when you need cash on the go.
Absolutely. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome.
I wish I could speak multiple languages fluently.
Same here, Emily. It would open up so many opportunities.
Just imagine being able to communicate with people from different parts of the world effortlessly.
It would make traveling and connecting with others so much easier and more meaningful.
I guess we'll have to start practicing and learning one language at a time.
That's a good approach. Let's make a pact to dedicate some time each day to language learning.
Deal. We'll support and motivate each other along the way.
Absolutely, together we can make progress and turn our wish into a reality.
I'm excited to embark on this linguistic journey with you, Alex.
Likewise, Emily. Here's to becoming multilingual and expanding our horizons.
Hey, I heard you're going on a trip soon. Where are you headed?
Yeah, I'm really excited. I'll be traveling to Hawaii for a week. It's going to be amazing.
Oh, that sounds incredible. Hawaii is such a beautiful destination. I hope you have a fantastic trip.
Thank you so much. I've been looking forward to it for a long time. I can't wait to relax on the beaches and explore the islands.
I'm sure it will be a memorable experience. Do you have any specific activities or places you're planning to visit?
Well, I definitely want to visit Pearl Harbor and pay my respects. I'm also planning to hike to the top of a volcano and witness a breathtaking sunrise. And of course, I'll be indulging in some delicious Hawaiian cuisine.
That sounds like a well-rounded itinerary. Don't forget to try some authentic poke and shave ice while you're there.
Absolutely. I've heard great things about those. I'm definitely planning to indulge in some local delicacies.
Well, I wish you safe travels and a wonderful time in Hawaii. Take lots of pictures and make lifelong memories. Have a nice trip.
Thank you so much. I'll be sure to capture the beauty of the islands and make the most of my vacation. I appreciate your well wishes.
You're welcome. Enjoy every moment and take some time to relax and unwind. Have a great trip.
Will do. Thanks again for your kind words. I'm looking forward to the adventure. See you when I get back.